Hi beautiful family, thank you for coming back to watch my video. In today's video we are going to make a simple powerful hair growth pomade. If your hair is not growing, your hair is not retaining moisture, please keep on watching and watch to the end of this video. My first ingredient is cloves. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves. Moving on to my second ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of dry rosemary leaf. After transferring these 2 ingredients into this bowl, I'll be using my local mortar to crush them into a powder form. But if you have powder form, powder rosemary and powder cloves, you don't need to go through this process. But I don't have the powder one, that's why I'm using my local mortar to crush them into a powder form. So after pounding it, this is what I got. Moving on to the next step is my Vaseline. So I'll be making use of blue sea, or you can call it protonic jelly, okay? But make sure that I'm using pure Vaseline, okay? Use any Vaseline you have, but make sure that it's pure Vaseline. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of this Vaseline. I'll transfer it into this my plate, okay? Because I have already made this before, okay? That's why I'm making this a little amount. I just want to show you guys how I prepare it, okay? So after transfer it into this plate, I'll be using my double boiling method. So you're going to use this by double boiling method. Once the Vaseline have started melting, the next thing I will do now is to transfer in my pounded rosemary and cloves into the Vaseline so that everything can infuse into the Vaseline, okay? I'll keep on stirring it time to time, but I will not leave it there in a long time. I leave it only but 8 minutes. Once it's 8 minutes mark, I will bring it down. Moving on to the next thing is to collect my wig cap. Use something that's very tiny hole so that the chaff cannot penetrate into your penetrating jelly, okay? I'm using my wig cap, new wig cap. You can use your sheaf cloth or whatsoever you have, okay? But make sure that whatever you are using to strain it is have very tiny hole, okay? So I have used it, I have transferred it into this container. Like as I said before, I'm making a little amount of it because I already have this at home already, okay? So this is what I got after straining it. This is how beautiful it is. This is so beautiful. I'll keep it aside. I like to solidify by itself. I do not put this in refrigerator. I like to solidify by itself. So once after then, so this is my chaff of the rosemary and cloves. I will transfer it into this plate. After I transfer it, the chaff into this plate, I'm going to pour in hot water on it. Yes, this is the best way to make use of this, okay? I'll pour in my hot water. After pouring in the hot water, I'll use my spoon to stir it around. After stirring it around, I'll use the cover of this plate to cover it up, and I like to infuse for only but 8 hours. After 8 hours, I will use my shifter to collect my tea spray. So after collecting my tea spray, this is how the tea spray is. So I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle, okay, for easy application. Guys, this best way you can use this, okay? Follow up the step of this video. You're going to thank me later. So this is how my hair is. I just finished washing my hair some hours ago, so my hair is so tasty, okay? So this best time to make use of this. Make sure that you make use of this on your fresh wash hair. Make sure that your hair is clean and also your scalp is clean. So I'm going to use this my tea now to use it to spray on my hair. Do you see how beautiful this tea look like? Sure, yeah, this tea still have a lot of potent on it, okay? Do not waste your own, okay? Just do it the way I did it. You're going to thank me, okay? So I'm going to use this now to spray on my hair very well on the scalp of my hair and also on the strands of my hair. After spraying it, I'm going to rub it very well into the strands of my hair and also on my scalp. So guys, if today is your first time stopping by in this channel, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate you. Please do not make it your last. Join this beautiful family by subscribing, and once you subscribe, turn your post notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Welcome into the family. My returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos. Please guys, you guys should help me to thumbs up this video, okay, so that YouTube can put this video to more people, and also share this video to your family and friends. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. So do you see the pomade? See how beautiful, colorful this pomade is. This pomade is so beautiful, so amazing. This pomade can keep your hair very long time moisturized. It will help you for length retention, and also to help to grow your hair longer and healthier. So I'm going to use this now to see in that moisture. After spraying that herbal tea, I'm using this my Potoni jelly mixing to use it to see in that moisture, and it's going to last for me up to 5 days without me moisturizing my hair. If your hair is not returning moisture, you have tried a lot of things, your hair is always get dry, please try this, okay? It's going to help you a lot. As you can see, I'm also applying extra on the ends of my hair. I always tell you guys that take care of the ends of your hair, because ends of your hair are the weakest part of the hair, because they are the older part of your hair. If you do not take care of the ends of your hair, they will definitely break off, okay, and it will cause you not retaining length. So anytime you're applying on your hair, take special care of the ends of your hair, okay? Combination of rosemary and cloves, they are very powerful in growing your hair, and also adding it together with this Vaseline is very great idea. So please, if you have not tried this before, let me know in comment section below, okay? And also if you have come across this before, also let me know in comment section below. You will never go wrong on using these 3 powerful ingredients. They will help you a lot in your hair. They will help you to grow your hair in buzz, and also they help you to keep your hair very long time moisturized and keep that hair super soft and manageable enough. If you have coarse hair, prepare this hair pomade. It will help you to soften that coarse hair. It will help you to keep your hair easy way for you to manage, okay? You can use it before you put your hair in protective hairstyle, like the way I'm doing now. I'm doing 2 things at once. I'm moisturizing my hair and also putting my hair in protective hairstyle at once, okay? Or if you're already carrying protective hairstyle, just use the tea to straighten your hair, use it to hydrate your hair. After then, use the pomade to see in the moisture. You can use this thing on your scalp and also on the strands of your hair. As you can see, this the way I'm making use of it, okay? Honestly speaking, whether you have protective hairstyle or not, make use of this. Grow that hair healthy. If your hair is squat, like I said before, or your hair is not growing, you're facing challenge of thinning hair fall. Anytime you comb your hair, you pack half of your hair will be on the floor. Use it to thicken up that hair. Use it to reduce your hair fall and also your hair shedding, okay? Please, if you have not liked this video, please help me to like this video. It really help YouTube to put the video to more people. Please click on that like button, and also if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Let's grow this channel together and also grow our hair together. And once you subscribe, do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. And also share this video to your family and friends. You may be helping 1 or 2 person out there, okay? I'm through moisturizing my hair. Do you see how beautiful, healthier and moisturized my hair is? And also I have a video of this Vaseline and avocado. Please feel free to check that video out, okay? I'll be leaving it in in down below, okay, incision box below, okay, and also I'll be linking it in up here. So I'm trying to show you the container. I finished the juice, okay, the herbal tea, I finished it, and also the pomade is also almost finished. So next thing now is to massage my scalp. I always say that whatever you apply on your hair, make sure that you massage your scalp, especially if your hair is low porosity. You really need scalp massage in your life. Scalp massage really help to that product to penetrate very well on your hair, and also it will help that product to do what it's supposed to do on your hair. But if you do not massage your scalp, you just leave it like that, the product will be sitting on top of your hair, which means it will not be doing any good on your hair. You are just causing product build-up on your hair. So please try to incorporate scalp massage. Whatever you apply on your hair, it will help you a lot. And also, if you are looking for a way to thicken up your hair, incorporating scalp massage also will help you to thicken up your hair. I always said scalp massage. Honestly speaking, if you have not been doing scalp massage up to this point, you are missing a lot. I don't know what you are doing. If you don't have scalp massage, you can use your hand to massage your scalp. They are all the same. So after massaging my scalp, I will pack my hair together, and next thing I'm going to do, I'll use my shower cap to cover up my hair so that my hair can trap some heat. Okay, I got low porosity. This part is very, very important. It will help the product to penetrate more into your hair. This will be closing today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.